Yo, what is going on? Welcome back to Thunder RC. I've got a cool truck here. It's my Rowan Max 5T Beast. But check out the wheelie bar. So this is my new contraption on my Rowan Baja Max 5T. It's a big homemade wheelie bar. That's one of the problems I've had with this truck ever since ownership, is that this thing loves to wheelie and you tear up your pipe. Now I know there's aftermarket wheelie bars, but I wanted something more substantial, something really wide in the rear. I call it the tractor pull. We're gonna give it a shot. Let's do it. Getting that That is epic. Heck yeah. Look at that, y'all. The tire just couldn't hang. Too much power. Wow. Tractor pull really works. Wow, everybody, that was epic. So much fun to drive. Durability update. The wheelie bar held up great. I do need to make some adjustments. Right now I have it zip tied and stuff. Just as a prototype, this was a test run. I'm going to modify it and make it a lot stronger. Notice the pipe did melt into my tubing here, so I need to figure something out there. But it protected the pipe. It rode awesome wheelies. It did fantastic. I did flip the truck over on the street there pretty hard and managed to break the end of the steering rod where the screw, I don't know what that's called. It's like a grub screw. I don't know if you see that. That goes in the end of the steering linkage, and it snapped off and sheared off in there to the acronym bell crank deal. So I'm going to take that apart, extract that screw, put a new one in, and she'll be good. Another thing, y'all, this engine is just ripping these stock tires up. So I have to put some Proline Badlands in there or something that's belted in the rear that can take a hit. This thing is moving and wheeling like a beast. So much fun. I got to work a few kinks out, but it's getting there. As always, everybody, thank you so much for watching. You know what to do. Peace out.